Welcome to Tiny Planet in Northern California. We build adventure vans that combine Vagoosh design with the latest high-tech innovations. So we currently have a round-the-world expedition. It's our owners that are actually traveling with a toddler, going all the way from Ventura, California. That's where we started off at Adventure Expo on May 12th. And we drove all the way across the United States, shipped the van from New Jersey to Liverpool, then crossed to Europe, and now we're going into China, all the way across the Pacific, and back into the United States. So yeah, you guys go and follow, check us out, and give us your feedback. YouTube, Instagram, tinyplanet.group. Yeah, we got a bunch of cool videos, a lot of nice builds that we can showcase, and yeah, we'd love to, talk to our clients in person and give more detail. We're out here at Lake Tahoe with the Adventure Expo. It's been a beautiful day so far. We're showcasing our latest designs out here with the dinette in the middle that gives you a California king-size bed. Fully bamboo customized van with the real stone touches for the backsplash and the shower. A Nomadic AC with the 1380 amp hours epoch batteries, 400 watts of solar. Nomadic has been a reliable partner to Tiny Planet family. Heated floors, dishwasher, and all kinds of cool things. Follow our Round the World expedition on YouTube, Instagram, and all around the cloud. So this is literally, it's been, almost 40,000 miles around the globe, and we're happy to showcase this beautiful adventure with you all.